In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your phone camera to a Microsoft Teams meeting in 25. This can be particularly useful when you're on the go or when you want to utilize your mobile device as an additional camera source during a meeting. You might be surprised at how straightforward it is to achieve this with just a few simple steps. First, the easiest and most convenient method to connect your phone's camera to a Microsoft Teams meeting is to use the Microsoft Teams mobile app. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download the app, which is available on both iOS and Android platforms. Simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Microsoft Teams. Once the app is downloaded and installed, the next step is to sign in. Use the same account credentials that you use for Microsoft Teams on your desktop. This ensures a seamless connection and sync between your devices. After logging in, you need to join the meeting on your phone. Once you've clicked on the meeting link or opened your calendar in the app, you can effortlessly join the meeting just as you would on your desktop. Now, an advantage of using both your laptop and mobile phone simultaneously is that you can stay connected on your laptop, primarily for screen sharing or making notes, and use your mobile as a dedicated camera. This dual setup offers flexibility, enabling you to make the most out of Microsoft's capabilities. However, to maintain clear audio during your meeting, it is crucial to mute your phone's microphone. This prevents any echo or feedback that might occur due to having both devices active. On your Teams app, once you're in the meeting, find the microphone icon and tap it to mute, ensuring your audio remains clear and professional. By following these steps, you'll find that using your phone's camera for Microsoft Teams meetings is not only convenient, but also very effective. It provides an easy alternative for those moments when your main camera might not be available, or for when you want an additional camera perspective during professional meetings. This simple adjustment to your routine can significantly enhance the interactivity and quality of your video conferencing experience. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there are other tips you'd like to share with our community. Let us all make the most out of our virtual meetings using technology that simplifies and enhances our communication. Stay tuned for more tech tips and guides by subscribing to the channel. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.